I'm the person. I don't know who.
You kill our animals?
No, you see me. I still no kill animal. I kill. I don't know who is that.
And this one?
Who is the owner of this one?
This one same. This together. I don't know who.
You stay with who?
You stay?
Whom do you stay with?
Who brought this here?
The first time
It's about Chinese people. I don't know.
That place,
She refused to open the room.
telling us that the owner has gone to China.
Yes, this is our
she has a
son. You know, this is kid for another people. This is for me.
In the life, you and me.
我不知道，谁知道啊？他邻居举报只能是那什么，他不可能是干啥吧？他说邻居举报。他说的，现在我在怀疑不是邻居，但是。
Get down.
Come.
Where?
We go. This one.
Up here.
What I can tell you is that today at around 8, police officers from Kilimani caught a tip-off that of information about chemtropy, this particular building. They are still going on with the investigation, searching the place to establish what is in place. But so far we have 4 suspects, which we are here to interrogate. Once we have interrogated and established what is inside, we shall be able to take the appropriate action and not to prepare charges, which we are going to prefer against the suspects. But otherwise, that is all that I have now. I don't want to disclose each and every detail of the investigation, but that is what is there. We are carrying out the investigation, but we shall give you more details once the investigators are through with this scene.